How to change what happens when you close your HP Notebook in Windows 11. Closing the lid on your HP Notebook can have a few different functions other than just sleep mode. This video explains how to program what happens when you close your laptop based on your personal preferences. From the home screen, select the search icon. Type Control Panel and select it from the results. In the Control Panel search bar, type Power Options and select it from the list of results. Select Choose what closing the lid does. Next to When I close the lid, select the drop-down menu for either On Battery or Plugged In and choose your preferred function. Selecting Do Nothing allows you to close the notebook and the computer will still be running. This is useful if you are using a separate monitor. Selecting Sleep places the computer in sleep mode. Selecting Hibernate places the computer in hibernate mode. And selecting Shutdown will turn the computer off completely when the lid is closed. When you are done making changes, select Save Changes, and your settings will be applied the next time you close the lid. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.